Hi Anu, can you describe yourself?
Hi, my name is Anu. I come from Halifax, Nova Scotia. Currently, I work there as a chairside assistant, and I want to upgrade myself to as a dental assistant level 2. Back home in India, I'm a dentist, and I've specialized myself in oral pathology.
Great. So, how did you know about Kennedy Dental?
The internet, and I was just searching for an organization that trains for the dental assisting examination.
Okay. And did you use Kennedy Dental for the written exam or only practical exam training or both?
I take Kennedy Dental's help for both my written and practical exams.
What was your experience with the written exam material?
Written exam material was because the materials are so prepared that it's just to the point. So we just need to go through that material, and we need not search through the entire textbook. So as in my case, I am a person who works around like 12 hours a day. So after coming back, I was deficient in time. So Kennedy Dental's material helped me a
What
lot.
did you like most about the study material?
That's as it's like to the point. Like whatever study material is highlighted, that will be the exact question that is coming for the exam, and just we need to concentrate on that.
What made you choose Kennedy Dental for your NDAB
Which
training?
the study material for the written exam was prepared, that made me like I had a thought that for the training also I will sign up with Kennedy Dental. And I also watched on the website of Kennedy Dental the kind of demonstration videos, like how to prepare and everything, so it was so professional. That's why like I was so sure that Kennedy Dental will be able to help me with the CPE
Did the
training.
CPE training meet your expectations, and if yes, in what all areas?
Yes, it really met my expectations because the rubber dam, especially the rubber dam, was the one which we didn't practice back home in India. I did not have hands-on practice with the rubber dam. So coming here, like I could clear every doubt of mine in each step, and that was the best thing I have found with.
Surprised you the most? And what do you think would be most helpful for people who would be joining this program?
Definitely the emulation of the exam environment. That is the most important thing, because if we do something in a relaxed environment, maybe for the exam we might not make it. But here, the exact exam environment is created, so we get a thought of the timer and asepsis. So that is the best thing here. Yeah.
Also, what did you think about the challenges and obstacles you faced here? Like,
Every mistake which we were making were pointed out, and then like she was bringing into light these mistakes and how to correct it. So all that we keep in mind, like whenever such mistakes happen, yeah, this is what we have to do. So that is like a best thing about it.
apart from the course itself, how was your experience with Kennedy Dental team during each session?
Yeah, it was like very friendly and warm, and like whenever I had some difficulties I could tell them, so they made the necessary arrangements for it, and I'm very satisfied with Kennedy Dental. Okay.
Also, would you recommend Kennedy Dental, and if so, why?
Yes, I've already recommended it to a few people back in Halifax like me.
Also, would
What
you advice would you give to those who are taking the CPE exam?
main thing should be like asepsis. You should be very careful about the asepsis, and you should. That's the most common reason everyone fail, and not that, yeah, even before you go into the skills, people fail because of the asepsis. So that is one of the most important thing that Canada Dental has highlighted from the beginning, and I think everything will be fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.